Say it. Say what you want. Okay, continue. What do you want, Teddy? You want the cookie? No. You want the cookie? Tell me you want the cookie. Tell me you want the cookie. Come on, bark for the cookie. You want the cookie? Yeah, I know you shut up. One. Get the cookie. You're very demanding. You want the cookie. Sit. Take the cookie. Good girl.
Actually, I thought he made a poor decision here. I thought he should have moved the ball another time, but shot it over the smaller goal, and then when he drove it on that charge, I thought
There's nothing down there, guys. So Teddy, tell me what you want. What are you looking for? You want a cookie, don't you?
A little adrenaline there in the first couple of plays goal. He was one of the class acts of the NBA. And when we talk about Chandler being a perfect fit, he might be a perfect fit for this Maverick team. Listen, Lamar Odom is a perfect fit.
Hey, is that what you want?
And I like what Miami's doing right now. They are going in the post to Wade and James. A little cross screen. I think the Mavericks should be dropping down with one of their big guys. A paint catch. And a little bit of a left-hand jump hook. Listen, you don't need a great post move when you catch it with 2 feet deep in the paint. Good entry by Wade, good finish by James. James said that's something he needs to work on in his low post move. Makes a nice
You telling me anything more you want? No? You done? You done barking?
He's not going to play angry this year. Are you going to broadcast less angry this year? You know, the commissioner was on me earlier before the game about being a curmudgeon. But, you know, I think that's when I'm at my best.
You want something more?
Was here for the raising of the championship banner.
Ooh.
He's going to shoot over and see
Ooh.
Orlando, which is one of the 5 games. As for the first time today, we send
Tell me what you want.
Merry Christmas to our Lisa Sophie.
Merry Christmas to you, Mike.
Tell me you want it.
But anyway, you guys were talking
You
about
want
Lamar
food.
Odom, and Jason
Don't you?
was telling me a funny story. He said the other day they were in the locker room, and Lamar turns to him and says, "Hey, when the Miami Heat get in here,
Move,
they're going
Pepper.
to be coming for y'all." And Jet said, "Y'all."
You're not getting it.
And then Lamar said, "My bad, I'm tripping. It's us. I keep forgetting." Lamar admits that it's still odd to see the match jersey hanging in his locker.
Sit.
He said, "You know
Up.
what? LA will always be in my heart, but as unhappy as I was to leave, I have got to move on."
Good.
And he's right.
Good boy.
But he's already made an impression on his teammates and the coaching staff.
Well, he's easy to coach. The guy just plays the game
Where'd you
the
go?
right way, moves, shoots when he should, passes when he should, into the defensive end of the floor, and really doesn't put a lot of stock
more?
into his own numbers. But by going back to
One
the
more?
trade, I don't think he was traded because he requested a trade off of curl to the rim and
You want any more?
blocks it. I think LA was trying to get money, as Phil Knox on the three, get money off of their cap
What
because
are you
of the
looking
new
for?
luxury tax rules. You can't give away that guy just because for a little bit of time he's at home.
You want more food?
I want to see that trade exemption work. You know, tell me when that first trade exemption went